He's 6'7" and 345. He's the biggest damn chicken that I know alive. He's a big damn chicken. Doo-ba-doo-doo. Big damn chicken. He likes to strut in front of the girls. He fluffs his feathers and cute curls. He's a big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. And he ain't no sissy when it comes to spurs. He'll flog your ass and take what's yours. He's a big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. Some corn and he's got some hay. He struts around every goddamn day. He's a big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. But then one day the farmer came, said, I'm going to ruin your game. Big damn chicken. He flew the coop. Now he sits on my goddamn stoop. Big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. Big damn chicken. So I guess I'll let him be, 'cause that some bitch is bigger than me. Big damn chicken. Big damn chicken.